Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I share with you this simple and delicious Koobi Angwamo recipe. This is very easy to put together and you'll love it when you make it. If today being your first time on this channel, hi, this is Getty Cooks and please subscribe to the channel and be part of this wonderful family. Now in my pot, I will add my washed Koobi and fry this on a medium heat. After 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my onions. I will let this fry until it is translucent. Then after that, I'll go in with my washed rice. After adding my washed rice, I'll go ahead and toast it for some few minutes before adding my water and a little bit of salt. Are you still with me up to this time? If you are, thank you so much. And I also want to use this opportunity to thank my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate all your effort and your time. And also you can follow me on other social media networks, that is Facebook, Instagram and TikTok as Getty Cooks. So I'll just cover it. So this is after 15 minutes. Let's give it a quick stir and then cover it again for it to cook for the final time. Alright fam, after a good 20 minutes, our Koobi Angwamo is ready. This looks so fluffy and easy to also bake. I went ahead to fry some egg, which I will also pair with my Angwamo. Alright lovelies, I went ahead to serve my Koobi Angwamo. This recipe turned out to be so delicious. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And if you find this video interesting, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share this video and comment on this video. And also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video.